In this video, I will show you how to turn off Google Safe Search on your iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, there's actually two ways you can actually turn off Safe Search. Now the first way to do this is what you're going to want to do is open up your preferred mobile browser. So for me that's going to be Safari. Then what you want to do is come across to google.com. So from here you can sign into your account, but it doesn't matter if you're not. What you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up a menu. Next, what you want to do from this menu, you're going to see an option called More Settings. So you want to go ahead and click onto this. And from here, you're going to see a section called Content. Now, if you look down here, we've got the Safe Search option. You can see currently it says blurring on. So if you actually go ahead and click onto this, and you can see the different options available. So what you can do is filter. So that helps filter out explicit images, text and links. The blur option helps blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may still show. And to go ahead and fully turn off Safe Search, all you need to do is select off down here. As you can see, it says shows all relevant results, even if they're explicit. So that is one way to do it. Now, the second way to do this is what you're going to want to do is come into your settings. So you want to open up the settings app on your device. Then what you want to do is scroll down until you see screen time and go ahead and press onto that. From here, if you come down, you can see a section called restrictions, and underneath there is a content and privacy restriction. So just go ahead and press onto this. That's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now the switch may be off at the top, in which case you want to go ahead and turn this on. If you do have a pin set, it may ask you to enter your pin at this point. Then what you need to do is underneath here, you can see in this section we got content restrictions. Just go ahead and press onto that. And that's going to take you across to this page. Now what you want to do is come to this section where it says web content and press onto this. As you can see, there are now three different options. So you have unrestricted, limit, adult websites and allowed websites. So to turn Safe Search off from here, all you need to do is make sure you have unrestricted selected. And once that's done, that's going to turn off Safe Search. So that is two ways on how to turn off Google Safe Search on iPhone. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.